Hey, Pop Tart, Case Thompson. Appreciate all you guys. Okay, look, we're gonna get hit by the fucking. Well, you'll see. We're gonna get clipped by the street cleaner. This is actually perfect. This is real life. All right, look, it's still hanging on. It's not like it's not hanging on. It was pretty good timing. All right, we're still going. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate everybody joining in. Yeah, this is a great toy. This is a very cool. It'd be a cool gift. If you got two kids, it might be cool to get the dump truck. This is cool for adults too.